Once again. So in this video, what I'll be talking about is a platform whereby you simply need to get registered using your mobile number and login password, and then you request for a free bonus that you use to boost your account and withdraw. So I'll be dropping a link in the description of this video. The link will take you to the registration dashboard, which will look like this one that you're seeing here right now. So and the other link that I will drop behind it is the link that will take you to the Telegram platform, where you will request for $10 welcome bonus, which will help you to boost to $15 and withdraw. So what I do basically here is to share updates of video tutorials on various money making opportunities. So I urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned while I update you on daily basis on various platforms that are available to enable you make money online. So click on the notification bell after subscription so that you can be able to get notified immediately I drop a video like this particular one that you're watching now. So guys, let's write it on. Right now I am on the registration page. I actually have an account that I got registered, and I simply want to show you how the interface for registration will look like when you get to click on that link in the description of this video. And don't forget to request for your $10 bonus that will help you to boost to $15, and then you can be able to withdraw. So drop behind it I'll be dropping the ID, my registration ID, because for you to be able to receive your $10 bonus, the the admin will request for the registration ID of the person that you signed up through his link. So I'll be dropping the registration ID so that you can be able to copy it out as well when you'll be requesting for your $10 bonus. Right now I click on the link and to bring me to this page. Now I will fill in my phone number here. You now fill in your login password, followed uh, by the confirmation of the password. Now you are good to go. This will fill itself, so you don't need to fill this one. Now the next thing you're going to hit is on the registration button. It will get you registered and sign you in. Then let me go back to my dashboard and show you how the interface look like. So when I log in, you'll see it has logged me in successfully. Now while I wait for the page to load completely, then I'll go back. I will scroll down. I'll scroll down and show you. This is this place that is written my is where you can be able to see your registration ID, similar to the one that I will be dropping in the description of the video, which you need to copy out and send to the person that will request for, where you will request for your $10 bonus. The person will request for the registration ID of the person that you signed up through his link, so that they can be able to confirm that you really signed up through their approved person who has already registered on the platform. Now when I click on my, so you can be able to see that I received my $10 bonus, and I've actually done 2 tasks here, and each task will be giving you $0.4. So you boost this to $15 and then you can be able to withdraw. So this is the task for today. So when you get to perform your task, you'll be earning $0.4 on daily basis. So when this is the ID, in case if you want to copy out your own and send to someone who might be registering through your link. So to share your referral link, you can be able to click on this share friends. When you click on that, hitting on that share friends button, it will take you to the copy link page. You can be able to copy it, and for you to be able to trace or track the number of people who have signed up, if you want to refer others, you go to my team. That is where you can be able to see that. So balance withdrawal is here, and for you to bind your TRC20 wallet address, click on this binding information. It will get you to that page. Now wallet address is this place. Now withdrawal record is this one. These are the functions that have been made available on this particular platform. So when once you receive your $10, you come to this place and refresh this balance. It will reflect here. So that is how you do it. Now how do you perform your task on this platform? So simply hit on this home button. So when I hit on this home button now, it will take me to the home page. Now I can be able to scroll, and you see the value of $10 USDT that you have received, which can be used to purchase VIP1 plan. So when once you receive the $10, you're already on VIP1. Now VIP1 is qualified to withdraw when you reach the minimum of $15. So all you need is to boost this to $15. You can be able to withdraw. Now to also qualify for higher earning, which will require 30 USDT, you will need to top up the amount of 20 USDT to the $10 that you've received. Then you can be able to purchase this plan and start earning $1.2 on daily basis. So that is the trick behind this. When once you receive, depending on the plan you want to subscribe to and the amount you wish to be earning on this platform, you can decide to receive your $10 bonus and then add up to this amount. You can be able to use it and purchase a higher plan for yourself and start earning massively on daily basis. So that is how this platform works. Now for you to start earning on daily basis after receiving your $10 welcome bonus, you simply need to come to this place and click on this I've actually received tax for today. That is why it is showing received. So before now it was showing start mining, like this particular one that you are seeing here. So this is how it will look at the initial point of registration, or at the initial point of signing on daily basis. All you need to do is to hit on this start mining button. It will start mining automatically and count from 60 seconds down to 0. Then you receive 0.4 if you are on this particular 10 USDT plan. So the same goes with other ones here. So that is how you earn on this platform. So simply hit on the link in the description and get registered. And also you can copy the ID that I have posted in the link behind the link to the Telegram channel, and you can be able to use it and redeem your 10 USDT bonus and start earning on this platform. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and keep yourself updated while I share other relevant videos like this. So thank you.